In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server on League of Legends. Start by opening your League client and logging in. Once you're in, look to the top right of the client for the store icon. It's the one that looks like a stack of coins. Click that to enter the store. Inside the store, move to the top right and select Account Settings. This is where Riot keeps options tied to your account, rather than in-game cosmetics. In the Account Settings view, check the left-hand menu and click Transfers. This section shows the servers your account is allowed to move to based on your current region and eligibility. Here, you'll see a list of available servers. Remember that switching servers isn't free. It costs RP, and the price is shown before you proceed. Make sure you have enough RP in your wallet, and keep in mind that regional availability can change. Think about your goals before you pick a destination. Changing servers will affect your ping, your matchmaking pool, and often your event schedules. It won't delete your account, but some things may behave differently across regions, and certain features, names, or missions may vary. When you've decided, select the server you want to migrate to. Take a moment to read the terms and conditions for the transfer. This is important because it explains what carries over and what might change, such as how your matchmaking rating adjusts, potential cooldowns on transferring again, and any region-specific limitations. It also clarifies that the transfer purchase uses RP and is generally non-refundable, so double-check you've chosen the right server. After you've reviewed the terms and you're comfortable with the implications, confirm the move by clicking the RP button to complete the transfer. This action spends the required RP and begins the process. The client may sign you out or prompt you to reconnect. That's normal. When you log back in, your account will now be associated with the new server you selected. From there, your games, store, and social features will reflect that region. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. If you play with friends, make sure they're on the same server so you can queue together. Expect your latency to change based on your location relative to the new server. And if you ever consider moving again, head back to the same transfer section to see current options and costs. That's all there is to it. Open the store, go to Account Settings, choose Transfers, select your destination, read the terms, and confirm with RP. Enjoy your new server, and good luck in your matches.